Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Yucca root, also known as cassava, is a fantastic ingredient that's simpler to prepare than you might think. It has a mild, starchy flavor, similar to a potato, but with a slightly firmer, fibrous texture that becomes wonderfully soft when cooked. Learning to cook yucca opens up a world of delicious possibilities, from crispy fries to comforting stews. We'll guide you through the process, step by step, ensuring your first attempt is a success. Get ready to enjoy this delightful root. Before cooking, preparing yucca correctly is crucial for both taste and texture. Start by cutting the root into 2 or 3-inch segments. Then, carefully use a sharp knife to slice just under the thick, waxy skin, peeling it away in strips. You'll notice a thin, woody core running through the center of each piece. Be sure to remove this as it's not edible and can be tough. Proper preparation ensures every bite is tender and enjoyable. Boiling is the fundamental first step for most yucca recipes, ensuring it becomes wonderfully soft and digestible. Simply place your prepared yucca chunks into a large pot and cover them completely with cold, salted water. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the yucca is easily pierced with a fork. This step transforms the root, making it perfect for the next culinary adventure. Once your yucca is perfectly boiled, you can elevate it to a new level of deliciousness, especially by frying or roasting it. For crispy fries, cut the boiled yucca into sticks, then pat them completely dry to remove any excess moisture. Fry these in hot oil until they turn beautifully golden brown and crispy, or roast them in the oven with a little olive oil. A sprinkle of salt and your favorite seasonings right after cooking truly makes them irresistible. Now that your yucca is cooked to perfection, the only limit is your imagination for serving. Crispy fried yucca is fantastic with a creamy dipping sauce or a tangy mojo. Boiled yucca can be mashed with butter and garlic or added to hearty soups and stews for extra substance. Don't be afraid to experiment with different spices like cumin, paprika, or even a squeeze of lime to truly make it your own. Enjoy this versatile and delicious root.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.